Samsung is not just a TV brand in 2026. It is the #1 TV brand dominating the market with extreme brightness, cutting-edge innovation, and powerful features. From QD-OLED to Neo QLED, Samsung is pushing boundaries in every category. In this video, we break down why Samsung is the best TV brand in 2026 and whether it is the right choice for you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Telefy TV for more TV reviews and comparisons. Comment below if you think Samsung is the best brand and share this video with anyone planning to upgrade. Why Samsung is the #1 TV brand in 2026. Samsung has built its position by focusing on innovation, consistent performance, and wide product range. Unlike many brands that specialize in one category, Samsung delivers strong performance across premium, mid-range, and even budget TVs. Samsung's Neo QLED lineup is built for real-world performance. With ultra-high peak brightness, these TVs perform exceptionally well in bright rooms where most people actually watch content. Combined with advanced local dimming, Samsung has reduced blooming significantly, bringing Mini LED performance closer to OLED than ever before. At the same time, Samsung's QD-OLED TVs deliver a different kind of advantage. They offer perfect black levels, infinite contrast, and high color volume, creating a picture that is both cinematic and vibrant. This gives Samsung a strong position in both display technologies without compromise. One of the biggest reasons behind Samsung's success is its Neo QLED Mini LED technology. These TVs deliver extreme peak brightness, making them perfect for bright rooms. HDR content looks bold, powerful, and highly visible even during daytime viewing. Another major advantage is Samsung's QD-OLED technology, which combines OLED contrast with higher brightness and vibrant color performance. This allows Samsung to compete directly with traditional OLED leaders while offering a different visual style. Samsung also focuses heavily on anti-reflection technology, making its TVs ideal for real-world usage. Reflections are reduced, and the screen remains clear even in well-lit environments. Samsung also covers every price segment. From budget-friendly models to ultra-premium flagships, the brand offers options for every type of user. This wide range ensures that more people can access Samsung's technology without needing to move to another brand. Finally, Samsung's continuous investment in future technologies ensures that it stays ahead of the competition. Whether it is improving Mini LED precision, enhancing OLED brightness, or developing new display innovations, Samsung is always pushing forward. All these factors combined make Samsung the most complete TV brand in 2026. It is not just about one feature or one category. It is about delivering a strong, reliable, and advanced experience in every area that matters. Overall, Samsung dominates because it delivers balanced performance across all categories, from brightness to gaming to smart features. Picture quality, brightness, and color performance. Samsung TVs are known for their extreme brightness, which is one of their biggest advantages. Neo QLED TVs can reach very high brightness levels, making HDR content look incredibly impactful. Highlights like sunlight, explosions, and reflections appear more intense compared to many competitors. When it comes to picture quality, Samsung TVs in 2026 are designed to deliver a bold, bright, and high-impact visual experience. The focus is not just on accuracy, but also on making content look more dynamic and engaging in real-world conditions. In terms of contrast, Samsung has improved its local dimming technology, allowing Mini LED TVs to deliver deeper blacks and better control over light. While they may not match OLED's perfect blacks, the gap is much smaller in 2026. Color performance is another strong area. With quantum dot technology, Samsung TVs deliver vibrant and wide color gamut, making images look rich and eye-catching. Colors remain strong even at high brightness levels, which is a major advantage. HDR performance is one of the strongest areas for Samsung. With support for advanced HDR formats and dynamic tone mapping, the TV delivers powerful HDR impact. Highlights are bright and detailed, while darker areas remain controlled and clear. Another important aspect is anti-reflection technology, which directly affects picture quality in real-world usage. By reducing glare and reflections, Samsung TVs maintain clarity and contrast even in bright environments. This ensures that the picture quality remains consistent regardless of lighting conditions. Samsung also offers excellent color volume, meaning colors do not fade when brightness increases. This creates a more dynamic and engaging image, especially in HDR content. Overall, Samsung TVs deliver a bright, vibrant, and impactful picture, making them perfect for users who prefer a bold visual style. Gaming performance, smart features, and real-world usage. Samsung is one of the best brands for gaming in 2026. Its TVs support high refresh rate, VRR, and low input lag, delivering a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Features like game mode and advanced gaming settings make it easy to optimize performance for different types of games. Whether you play on console or PC, Samsung TVs are built for high-performance gaming. The smart TV experience is powered by Samsung's Tizen platform, which offers fast navigation, a clean interface, and access to all major apps. The system is smooth, responsive, and easy to use. In real-world usage, Samsung TVs perform exceptionally well in bright rooms. Thanks to their high brightness and anti-reflection technology, they maintain visibility and clarity even under strong lighting. For everyday content like streaming and TV shows, Samsung provides a consistent and reliable experience. Overall, Samsung focuses on real-world performance, ensuring that its TVs work well in all types of environments. Real-world usage performance. In real-world conditions, Samsung TVs are designed to perform consistently across different environments. In bright rooms, Samsung clearly leads with its high brightness and anti-reflection technology. The screen remains visible, clear, and vibrant even under strong lighting or sunlight. This is where Samsung TVs truly stand out compared to many competitors. For everyday viewing, such as streaming, YouTube, and TV channels, Samsung delivers a consistent and reliable experience. Colors remain vibrant, motion is smooth, and overall picture quality feels polished across all types of content. In terms of motion handling, Samsung provides smooth and controlled performance, making it ideal for sports and fast-moving scenes. Motion blur is reduced, and clarity is maintained even during high-speed action. Another advantage is build quality and design. Samsung TVs are known for their ultra-slim profiles, minimal bezels, and premium materials. This not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances the overall user experience. Energy efficiency and long-term reliability are also important factors. Samsung TVs are designed to perform consistently over time without major degradation in performance. Overall, Samsung delivers top-tier gaming performance, a fast and reliable smart experience, and excellent real-world usability. This combination is one of the biggest reasons why Samsung is considered the #1 TV brand in 2026, as it performs well not just in tests, but in everyday life. Strengths, weaknesses. Samsung's biggest strength is its extreme brightness and HDR performance. This makes it one of the best brands for bright environments and impactful visuals. Another major strength is its wide product range, covering everything from budget TVs to premium flagship models. This allows more users to experience Samsung's technology at different price points. Gaming is also a major advantage, with top-tier gaming features that make Samsung one of the best choices for gamers. However, there are some limitations. Samsung TVs do not offer Dolby Vision support, which may matter for some users who watch HDR content. Also, while Mini LED contrast has improved, it still cannot fully match OLED's perfect black levels in dark scenes. Final verdict and conclusion. When we look at the complete picture in 2026, Samsung stands out not because it is perfect, but because it delivers the most complete overall experience across different types of users. Samsung's biggest advantage is consistency. Whether you are buying a premium flagship or a mid-range TV, you still get strong performance, reliable quality, and modern features. This level of consistency is something many brands still struggle to achieve. Another major factor is innovation. Samsung is leading in both QLED Mini LED technology and QD-OLED displays, which means it is not limited to one category. Instead, it is pushing multiple technologies forward at the same time. In real-world usage, Samsung TVs are built for modern environments. With extreme brightness, anti-reflection screens, and strong processing, these TVs perform exceptionally well in bright rooms, which is where most people actually watch TV. Gaming is another area where Samsung clearly dominates. With high refresh rate support, VRR, and extremely low input lag, it delivers one of the best gaming experiences available on a TV in 2026. The smart experience also adds to its value. Samsung's system is fast, smooth, and reliable, making everyday usage simple and convenient. Now let's talk honestly about the limitations. Samsung still does not support Dolby Vision, which can be important for some users. Also, while Mini LED contrast is very strong, it still cannot fully match OLED's perfect black levels in completely dark scenes. But here is the key point. Samsung does not need to win every single category to be the best overall brand. What matters is how well it performs across all categories combined. And in 2026, Samsung delivers the most balanced performance, strong features, and real-world usability. That is why it earns the title of the #1 TV brand in 2026.